Hey there, welcome back to the series. In this video series, we will learn to work on different softwares of Microsoft like MS Word for typing and form creation for making notes, MS Excel and Access for tabular data representation, and PowerPoint for presentation. So we'll start from MS Word, then we'll move to PowerPoint. The third will be MS Excel, and then we will learn MS Access. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you can get next update instantly. Since this is an introduction video, I'll just show you how Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access appears and what is the similarities between these. So this is my start bar. I will type Word and I have 2016 Microsoft Suite. So this is Microsoft Word. Let's choose blank document. So this is how MS Word looks. We have first option, file. This is for saving file, opening file and save as for printing file. Next we have home with these many options. Next we have insert to insert something, any picture, document or next page or symbol. We have different equations, we can use different symbols we can use here. Next we have design to design our page. Next is to change the layout, size of the page, margins. Next is the reference to change the table content to add bibliography. Next is an online mailings. We can develop our page as an envelope labels we can add. Next is for grammar, word count, adding new comments. And next is to rate different mode to change the layout. We can hide and add ruler grids. So this was all about MS Word. Let's see the another software, that is MS PowerPoint. So let's see the blank page. So this is MS PowerPoint, the blank slide. Similar to MS Word, it has same file. First option is file, that is to get new file, to open some file, to save file, to print, to share and etc. Next it's save home. All the options are same here. For insert also all the options are same. For designing we have a little different option to design the slide. Next we have translations. This is also a different thing. Next comes animation. Translation and animations and slideshows are only available in MS PowerPoint only. Next is review, similar, and the view one, the grayscale. So let's see MS Excel. So we'll insert a new one. So this is how it appears. We have file, the same options, home, with some different options formatting the table. Next we have insert, somehow similar options are there, but some graphs are introduced here. We can change the page layout, margins, we can put something, bring front and back. We have some functions here, logical and mathematical date time. Next we can access data from MS Access, from the web, or from any text files. We can sort data here. Review is somehow similar in all these. And this is about the view how page will look. So let's see the last one, MS Access. So let's have one black document. Okay, yeah, it is created. It is an updated version of MS Excel. The home button. It has some spellings and pasting. Then we have for creation, we have table designs, query designs. Then we can export data, import data. Then we have database tools for different connectivity of data. Then we have different values like number, currency, fields. So how data will represent it. So these four are there. And from the next video, we will learn in very sequence manner. And just don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest update on time and you can get faster video in instant time. So let's have a demo to change the shape of an object. So I have created a box and let's change the shape of an object. We can change to it any shape. Like this, it can generate.